Today we're bringing you the mother of all Black Friday roundups for motion designers. It's Motion Mondays, the Black Friday edition.
Oh gosh.
Let's start with one that hits close to home. School of Motion is launching our biggest sale this Friday. From November 29th through December 4th, you can save 25% on every single School of Motion course and interactive session, including our fresh out of the oven Rive Academy Volume 1 and Unreal courses. Whether you want to master After Effects, Cinema 4D, design, animation, or visual effects, now's your chance to level up for less. And for a limited time, we're opening up individual spots in our new All Access program, normally reserved for teams of 3 or more. You'll get access to every course we make, including our upcoming Blender course dropping in January. Over 500 hours of training, unlimited critique, 13 credentials to earn, plus our awesome community and monthly live streams. And yes, you'll save 25% off the annual price for your first year. If you're interested, don't sleep on this opportunity, as spots in All Access are extremely limited. This is our biggest discount of the year, and spots will fill up, so set that alarm for Friday morning and head to schoolofmotion.com/Black Friday to learn more. If you're not familiar with Knights of the Editing Table, you're missing out. They make incredible tools for Premiere Pro, and their standout plugin, Excalibur, is a must-have for editors. They're offering 20% off all their Premiere Pro extensions, and these tools will change the way you edit forever. Our friends at Battleaxe are slashing 30% off everything from November 29th to December 7th. If you haven't jumped on the Overlord train yet, which now supports both Illustrator and Figma, or if you need Rubber Hose, probably the most popular character animation plugin for After Effects, now is your chance. These tools are absolute workhorses for motion designers. Good Boy Ninja is dropping 20% off their entire catalog, including that slick new Skew Pro plugin we recently covered. Their tools are some of the most thoughtfully designed in the industry. When you need precise timeline control in After Effects, these are the plugins you reach for. The good people at Boris FX are offering 25% off from November 25th through December 1st, including Sapphire Suite for those eye-popping effects, Synthesize for best-in-class match moving, and Mocha Pro for planar tracking superpowers. These are seriously great tools. FX Factory is running 25% off everything with code Black Friday until December 3rd. They've got a massive selection of VFX and audio plugins that'll make any video creator happy, especially useful for editors, but motion designers will find plenty to love here too. While it's technically not a Black Friday deal, Rokoko set up something special for the School Motion community. If you make under $100,000 yearly, you can grab their Indie Creator Bundle with a massive 45% discount. Add code RKK_School of Motion for an extra 5% off their pro-grade mocap suits. That's a lot of percentages. Motionarray is offering 10% off their everything plan for their holiday sale. You get unlimited access to presets, templates, footage, music, and sound effects, basically everything a content creator needs. It's an excellent resource for both editors and motion designers. Acidbite is going big with 50% off everything and a whopping 90% of their complete collection of 6,000 plus elements. They've got pre-made transitions, animated textures, overlays, basically everything you need to add some spice to your work. These assets are clean and ready to use. MotionVFX is offering 30% off their Design, Cinestudio, and Premiere Pro and Resolve packs with code BW30. Their tools work across pretty much every major platform: Final Cut Pro, Resolve, Premiere, After Effects, you name it. High quality stuff that'll elevate your toolkit. Let's give a quick shout out to our School of Motion Student of the Week, Len Kurosaki, who absolutely crushed the Focus I/O assignment in Advanced Motion Methods, taught by the incredible Sander Van Dyke. This exercise challenged students to use eye trace and editorial style transitions while maintaining visual rhythm between animated shots. Working with designs from our friends at Elo Studio, Len created something that's straight up broadcast ready. You can ship this thing right now. It's that good. Keep crushing it, Len. We can't wait to see what you cook up next. Mode Designs makes absolutely gorgeous mechanical keyboards, and they're dropping prices up to 50% off starting November 26th at 1 p.m. Eastern. These aren't just keyboards, they've elevated typing into an art form. If you're a keyboard head, you will not want to miss this one. Happy Editing is slashing 50% off everything with code Black Friday. Their presets, textures, and assets work seamlessly with After Effects, Premiere, and Resolve. Perfect for adding that little extra something to your work without spending hours tweaking settings. Toolfarm is running a massive Black Friday sale across thousands of plugins and tools. They've got something for everyone: motion designers, sound designers, video editors, you name it. Spend some time browsing their site, you're bound to find some gems. Wacom is offering up to $120 off new tablets, plus sweet deals on refurbished gear. They make the nicest interfaces in the game, and while they can be pricey, Black Friday is the perfect time to snag one. Your wrist will thank you later. Huion is offering up to 50% off their pen displays through December 2nd. They're a solid alternative to Wacom that has been getting great reviews from artists. If you're in the market for a screen you can draw directly on, these are definitely worth checking out. This one's kind of crazy. Affinity is offering 50% off all 3 apps, meaning you can grab their entire suite for just $83. And this isn't a subscription, it's a one-time payment. If you've been curious about this Adobe alternative, this is a ridiculous deal that will make your wallet very happy. If spreadsheets make you sad, but money makes you happy, this one is for you. Our friends at Motion Hatch are dropping their Perfect Your Pricing Toolkit at 50% off from November 29th through December 2nd. This Notion dashboard helps you nail your rates based on your actual circumstances, not some random freelancer on Twitter, track financial goals, and spot revenue dips before they happen. Perfect timing for those 2025 rate increases. The toolkit drops this Friday, so mark your calendars. The lovely Chris Schmidt will be offering all of the killer Cinema 4D plugins at Rocket Lasso for 50% off from this Friday, November 29th through Monday, December 2nd. Chris and his team have built some of the most useful and unique plugins out there for Cinema 4D, and they open up really cool creative possibilities for artists. So if you are a 3D artist and want some new toys to play with, don't miss this deal. Our friends at True Grit are offering 50 to 70% off everything starting Wednesday, running for about a week. These are our favorite brushes for Photoshop, Illustrator, and Procreate. Plus, they've got effects kits, textures, and Photoshop actions that'll give you those sweet organic textures. They even support Affinity. These folks think of everything. Cavalry, the Houdini of 2D animation, is offering 33% off pro subscriptions from November 29th through December 4th. If you haven't checked out our recent interview with the founders, definitely do that. This software is changing the game for 2D animation. There's a free version to try, but the pro version has some very cool features, and you can grab it now for a sweet discount. Boom Library is dropping 30% off their massive 48,000 plus file audio library, Boom One. They've got deals up to 50% off other products too. If you do any kind of sound design, these are incredibly high quality effects that'll make your work sound more professional. And it's available as either a one-time purchase or a subscription. Our good friends at aescripts are offering 25% off almost everything through December 6th during their Cyber Extravaganza. Just use the code CYBER at checkout. While a few tools are excluded, there's something here for every After Effects artist. It's like a candy store for motion designers. Adobe is offering their biggest discount of the year, 50% off all Creative Cloud apps through November 29th. If you haven't jumped into Creative Cloud yet, this is your chance to get your first year at half price. You better move quickly though, because this deal vanishes faster than my hairline. Maxon is bringing their A-game this Black Friday, offering 25% off their annual subscriptions of Maxon One, ZBrush, and Redshift from November 29th through December 8th. Maxon One includes Cinema 4D for your 3D needs, ZBrush for digital sculpting, and all those killer red giant tools that make After Effects sing. Some terms apply, but whether you're just starting your 3D journey or looking to expand your motion graphics toolkit, now's your chance to save big on the industry standard. Kitbash 3D is offering $200 off Cargo Pro, their entire 3D library. It includes 20,000 plus individual assets with powerful search features and one-click import into your favorite 3D software. Kitbash is known for having some of the highest quality models in the game, and this is an awesome deal. There are also lots of individual creators hooking up artists, way too many to list in this video, but Vincent Schwenk's Gumroad store is offering 50% off with code RENDERSALE. You'll find Redshift shader packs, lighting setups, and model packs, all at very affordable prices. Perfect for 3D artists looking to expand their toolkit without breaking the bank. JangaFX, makers of real-time VFX tools like Embergen, are offering 30% off their indie annual licenses. Their tools work seamlessly with Unreal Engine, so if you've been diving into real-time rendering and need some high-quality effects, this is your chance. The Pixel Lab is offering 30% off everything, and they've got one of the largest collections of 3D visual effects and VDB assets out there. Gorgeous destruction elements, dust, explosions, smoke, fluid splashes, plus a killer material library for Redshift. Some seriously useful stuff for 3D artists. Insydium is offering 50% off through December 4th with code BLK50. If you've been eyeing X Particles, this is probably your best chance to grab it. While they're known for X Particles, they make tons of other useful tools for Cinema 4D artists too. And finally, our friends at ActionVFX are offering 30% off all their plans and credit packs for their Black Friday sale. If you do any kind of visual effects or compositing, these folks have some of the highest quality 2D and 3D visual effects assets around. We've used them at School of Motion. They're the real deal with over 11,000 assets to choose from. Woo! And that wraps up our Black Friday Bonanza. If you're celebrating Thanksgiving, enjoy the holiday. I'll be in Texas, most likely watching the Cowboys lose. Drop any other deals you know about in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our end of the year content. And don't forget that our massive Black Friday deal launches on Friday, and set those alarms because spots are limited and we cannot wait to see you in class this winter. Now go forth and empty those wallets responsibly, of course.